about due process. Like I said, it's for anybody that's in the United States. It was ruled a while ago. I don't know why people in positions of knowing are not aware of it. I'm going to post it for you right now. Um, Here's the link. And you will see that the Constitution annotated tells you that the Supreme Court ruled. So it started in 1903, and they said that an alien who has entered the country is subject to the jurisdiction of the United States, and they cannot be deported without an opportunity to be heard. Then they extended those constitutional protections to anybody within the United States, including those who entered unlawfully. And they said once they've come through our gates, even illegally, they can be expelled only after proceedings conforming to traditional standards of fairness encompassed in due process of law. Due process rights apply to everybody. Whether you like them or not, they apply. And I was arguing, well, I wasn't really arguing. I was talking to some guy today on Dinesh D'Souza's page because I'm currently asking Dinesh D'Souza if he would support fines for media personalities that intentionally mislead the public. He's not. He's not responded to me for some reason. I don't know why. But I was talking to this guy, and he wanted to say, well, there was no due process when they came into the country, so they don't deserve due process when they're removed from the country. And to that I said, let's imagine this scenario. Tomorrow, I go get a job at ICE. I don't like you. I decide you don't belong in this country. I come and pick you up with my friends, and I send you away to El Salvador. By Wednesday, you're in El Salvador. You have not had the chance to appear in front of a judge. You have not had the chance to prove that you are allowed to be in this country. And now your family and your friends have no idea where you are, and you're being possibly tortured down in El Salvador. I don't think anybody wants that. I don't care which side of the aisle you fall on. Nobody wants, number one, nobody wants criminals in our streets. We can all agree on that. Number two, nobody wants their best friend to be picked up and sent away to another country without any ability to defend themselves. That is what due process is. Any person picked up needs to have the opportunity to prove to a neutral adjudicator, the judge, that they are entitled to be in this country. If we do anything less than that, then each and every one of us could lose our right to due process tomorrow. That's you. That's me. That's everybody we know. You have to give people an opportunity to prove that they belong to be here. If the government is so certain that they aren't allowed to be here, the government should have no problem proving their case. They do it all the time. I promise you that. They know what they're doing. They're not going to have any trouble. They do not need these carte blanche, judge, jury, executioner all rolled into one. Make them do their job, because if you're ever picked up and accused of doing something wrong, you're going to want the opportunity to prove that you didn't.